I think we can work out what this is. It's another little novelty demonstration. Four-cylinder engine. Again, I've printed this on low quality. So, well, it's an experiment printing on such low quality. You can see there's a few problems there. Let's see if it works. We'll put it together now. I've got the Thingiverse screen up so we can see how the guy designed it to go together. And as I said upstairs when I took it off the print, I've printed this on low quality, and some of it really does look low quality. But he's left plenty of clearance, because this is just for demonstration purposes. It's not actually supposed to run in any way. So those pistons are nice and loose in there, even though this is a bit rough. I'm hoping I can get it together without gluing it. I'm thinking I might have to crush some of the bits together. Right, we're going to abandon this. I gave up on that. I threw it away. It was just too weak. So I printed it again, this time on standard quality, I think they call it. Not the highest quality, but the next one down. There's still some lines on it. I think I'm getting a bit of trouble with that filament. It's been sitting on the printer for a few months now, so it's probably getting a bit damp. There's clearly some issues here. So it's not perfect by any means, but as I said earlier, he's left plenty of clearance because this isn't supposed to be a running engine, it's a demonstration. So we're okay there. All right, these are the bits I threw in the bin. In fact, I expect I could actually use those pistons. All right, so we'll use the rough old pistons. And the connecting rods. So those are spare. So, right, can we get this lot to go together? piston. I'm going to get some sandpaper. I'll do. Right, second time lucky. So the moral of the story was don't try and print on the lowest quality. But I didn't print it on the highest quality, so it might have been easier to put together if it had been on high quality. And there is an 8-cylinder version, which is basically 2 of these joined together. I don't think I'll bother printing that one. But if you're interested, I'll put the link in the video description. There's a close-up for the thumbnail. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.